Thank you, LifeWave, for being a product that actually works, that I can show other people, that I'm getting results already, and they can get results quite quickly too. It actually helps us spread the word about this great product.
A year ago, I thought my writing days were over because of inflammation and swelling in my wrists and my lower back. But at 64 years young, today my passion is back. Thank you, David Schmidt and LifeWave.
Okay, this increase in strength only started really after 3 months since I started patching up. I used to regularly work out with the 35s. 3 months later, I am working out with the 50s and I'm throwing them around.
Hey there, Connie Booth here. Today I want to tell you about two products that have helped me so much. X39 and the Ice Wave. I was in a car accident a few years ago. I have sciatic nerve problems, and now since I've been taking these products, I can raise my right leg, I have mobility, and it's almost pain-free for me.
In the last couple of years I've been getting pains in my hands, aches and pains and stiffness, but since I've been using these little patches, X39 from LifeWave, that's all changed. So thank you very much, David Schmidt. Thank you for giving us X39.
Hello, my name is Brian Pearman. I started using X39 patches and IceWave patches from LifeWave to help with the pain management for lower back pain. And I'm happy to report that since I started using the patches, I'm able to stand longer, walk longer, spend more time with my family. Thank you, David Schmidt. Thank you, IceWave. I love it.
I wanted to take this opportunity to thank LifeWave for the X39 patch. Not only do I have energy all day long, but it turns the reverse and it helps me sleep at night all night long like a baby. Thank you, LifeWave.
Thanks to the Alaveda patch and trio, I have less lines around my eyes, no dark circles, and less noticeable lines on my forehead. I'm getting younger by the day. Thank you, LifeWave.
Hey, Mark here. I've been in the computer industry for over 25 years and I've developed a case of carpal tunnel syndrome. I wasn't able to bend my fingers barely this much. But when I started patching up with X39, it took about 3 months, but now I can do this. And that's an amazing feat for someone with this syndrome. Thank you, LifeWave.
I have lupus, and one day my limbs swelled up on me. My legs, my ankles, my feet, and my toes, my hands and my fingers also. I used an X39 patch, and in 12 hours, almost all the swelling had gone down everywhere.
I started X39 a week before my 4th bladder surgery was scheduled to fix my bladder spasms. I had up to 15 bladder spasms a day for over a year. They hurt so bad that I would pass out. However, the spasm stopped before my surgery date, so I didn't have to have it. I am so grateful. Thank you, LifeWave.
Hi, Margaret here. Before X39, I was a 74-year-old unfocused eating machine. Within 48 hours, I had lost all my cravings for junk food and for alcohol, and I became a lot more focused on having my day mean something. Thanks very much, LifeWave.
Okay, this is concerning the Eon patch specifically. In the morning, I put it on the back of my neck. At noon, I work out in the gym. My performance and strength increases every single time, and my muscles actually swell up. It's crazy.
With the IceWave packs of LifeWave, my tennis elbow doesn't disturbing my daily life anymore. Thanks, LifeWave.
Hi, I'm Angela. I'm a mom of 8, and thanks to X39, I will be having a more active summer with my kids. Thanks, X39.
At 64 years young, I'm no surfer, but I'm riding the LifeWave to better health and wealth. Thank you, LifeWave.
I credit my great sleep to X39. I no longer wake up at 3 a.m. I actually sleep till 6 a.m. I jump out of bed and I'm ready to go for the day. Thanks, LifeWave.
I wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to LifeWave for creating the X39 patch. Not only am I back in the gym doing the cardio that I want, but I'm also lifting weights again, and it's been years since I have. Thank you, LifeWave.
I recently went on a hike with my girls, and usually I'm lagging behind. This time, I was the one setting the pace. Thanks, X39.
Something that I know that is directly related to X39 because I was an ex-athlete is the flexibility in my stretches, specifically my ankles. I could not do this before I started patching up. No way.
Thank you, X39, for a faster recovery with my workouts at the gym. And the fact that I can actually do more. My last sets, I like to push my reps an extra 20%. Some of them are actually killers. But with X39, I'm able to blow right through those blockades that I used to hit.
I've had a sharp petty pain across the top of my wrist for over 20 years. Since wearing the X39 patch for 1 week, the pain is gone. Thank you, LifeWave.
My name's Simon Palmer, I'm from the UK. I just wanted to say thank you to David Schmidt, because for the last few months I've had some blood in my toothpaste when I spit it out with a bit of gum disease. But within a week of taking X39, that had all stopped. So thank you, LifeWave, and thank you, X39.
I'm 76 years old, been competitive my whole life. Many aches and pains that I've had since a young child. But with the introduction of LifeWave by my sponsor, I have had less pain in the last 2 weeks than I've had since I was a kid. Thank you, LifeWave. Thank you to X39 and the IceWave.
Hey, I'm Don, and I've been on the X39 patch for about a month now, and my cracks and pops in my wrists and all my joints are gone. I've had sore, stiff joints for years now, and now I'm feeling amazing, so thank you.
One of the things I noticed most about X39 is my freaking eyesight. It's getting better a little bit every single day. I'm 50, my eyesight started going, and I can look at the phone this close. I couldn't do that before without glasses.
Hi there, I suffer from low moods, kind of mild depression, and when I put this small patch on, it was like angels were dancing in my veins. It was like I got this really surge, and it's like no drugs, no nothing good in your body. So thank you, LifeWave, for giving me that boost in my mood.
Hi, not many people can guess that I'm over 60 by now, but my secret weapon for my body is the X39 patch that repairs my stem cells. Thank you, LifeWave.
Hi, I'm George Taylor. I'm a cancer survivor, a bus accident survivor, and a full-time caretaker. The biggest thing about LifeWave, which I want to say thank you for in the X39, is it's given me hope. Hope for the future, hope for tomorrow, and hope to live a lot less painful.
And when I went to put on my makeup, I noticed a lessening of the lines above my lips, which I'm an ex-state licensed California esthetician and a makeup artist. And frankly, I was shocked because that area is really difficult to lessen lines in. You normally have to use some very strong chemical peels. Now I wish I would have taken before and after pictures. Thanks, LifeWave.
After working a 10-hour shift, I used to go home, lay on the couch. Now, thanks to LifeWave X39, I get outside and I live life.